So from what I knew from her was that they've only made 10 of these bags in the entire world. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, to my little corner of the internet here where we talk about luxury designer handbags. So today I thought it's time to show you my beautiful and rare, very rare Louis Vuitton Artsy. There's nothing special about the Artsy in general, it's one of their classic bags, but mine comes with this beautiful python handle. And usually, of course, all of you probably do know it, the Artsy bag comes with the untreated vachetta leather as well. So you do have an untreated vachetta leather handle as well as this little, I don't know what it is, keychain accessory. This is usually untreated vachetta leather too. So this beauty came out in 2017 and they only made a really limited amount of bags. By the time when I bought my bag, my SA, who is absolutely amazing, she's moved the earth before in terms of finding rare pieces like this. So from what I knew from her was that they've only made 10 of these bags in the entire world. However, there's like a special rule for California because in California you're not allowed to, I think, buy python, wear python or own python. So what they've actually done is they made an additional limited amount of bags that came with a water snake handle, and those were only sold in California. Can't even remember, I think it was the iris snake or something. I can't remember which snake skin they used, but it was something like that. So the python handle bags, there's only like a really limited amount of these ones on the market, and yeah, I'm absolutely happy to own this beautiful bag. I think the Artsy never really caught my eye until this one came out. And I think this goes so well together with the monogram canvas, and it just makes it a lot more unique. I just absolutely love this bag. It's your perfect hobo bag, and yeah, I mean, what can I say? So I know that I was quite lucky to get this one in the first place, but also then to get a bag that has this symmetry, like when it comes to the handle. I mean, many of you you all know the Capucines, the Louis Vuitton Capucines bag that comes in the regular Torian leather, but also in the Torian leather with the python handle. And I've seen a lot of Capucines with a python handle that either had like almost none of these black details, basically, I don't know how to describe it, in the python skin. Some of them are just like beige, some of them are just, you know, I just really enjoy that this pattern is so perfect, and yeah, it just looks absolutely amazing. Even from the back, it's absolutely symmetrical. So yeah, couldn't be happier with this one. When you buy an exotic bag, no matter if it's Louis Vuitton, Chanel, I mean, Chanel is not selling any exotic bags anymore since last year, but let's say Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Dior. If you buy an exotic bag, you always get sites with the bag, which is like a passport for your bag so that you're allowed to travel or to ship it abroad or something like this. Exotic bags always need to come with sites, which basically state that this specific python skin or ostrich or crocodile or lizard or alligator, that those leathers have been obtained legally. And when you buy a bag like this, you get the sides, and then you don't have to worry about like going through airports and stuff like that. So you just always have to take this with you, basically, so that you don't get into like any trouble at the airport. And of course you don't want them to take your bag away. So always take sides with you if you do have some exotic bags in your collection and you like to travel with them. Yeah, so other than that, it's just your regular Artsy. The Artsy nowadays, the new models, they come with a leather stripe right here as well. I actually have to say that I prefer the old model. If I find a picture, I will put it up here, then you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I definitely prefer this model that doesn't come with this line up here. It's an amazing bag. I absolutely love it. It can hold so much. I've currently got it stuffed So I always keep my bigger bags stuffed in, well, all the bags that are not as structured, just so they keep their shape. And this is, whoops, this is how the bag looks like from the inside. So you have this regular Louis Vuitton microfiber lining in beige, and this bag has quite a lot of pockets. So as you can see, I hope you can, it has a zipper compartment at the back, and then you have like 6 of these little flap pockets, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side as well. Can you see that? Yeah. So you have so much space, and the rest is just one big compartment. So yeah, absolutely love this bag. Can hold so much. It's quite comfortable. It sits quite comfortable on your shoulder. I'm going to show you modeling shots in a second. The Artsy comes with 4 feet as well. However, I feel like they don't really have a function, because if you put the bag down somewhere, as you can see, like it slouches a lot, and I think it sits more on the canvas than it actually does sit on the feet. But yeah, it's a nice detail. Yeah, the Artsy holds up phenomenally. I mean, it's your regular monogram canvas, and there is, can we focus? Yes, there's no corner wear at all. I mean, I always say Louis Vuitton monogram canvas is almost indestructible. And yeah, I definitely am convinced by that. You have to treat a monogram canvas bag pretty badly, I think, to actually see a lot of wear and tear. It's such a great material. I do know that the old Artsy bags had a problem with cracking, so they used to crack here. That's also maybe why they put this leather lining around the new ones. But yeah, I haven't had any problems so far. My monogram canvas feels very soft, and yeah, I don't think, I mean, I don't know what's happening in 10 years, but so far, no problems. Okay, so here is the beauty, and it does look pretty big, but once you actually swing it over your shoulder, I think it's just the regular Neverfull MM size. I would compare it with that. Okay, let me come a little bit down. So that's how the bag looks like if you swing it over your shoulder, and yeah, I absolutely love this look, and especially with this Python handle. So yeah, it's very comfortable, and you can fill it up and it's still comfortable, and you can even rest your arm on the bag basically. So I do love it a lot. So what some people do, I have not done that, but you could attach a shoulder strap on these rings right here, and then of course like carry it on your shoulder as well. But yeah, I don't like that. So, you know, it's nice and easy to just carry it like this. You have easy access, you can get into your bag really easily, and yeah, it's just really comfortable. You can either wear it on the crook of your arm or just swing it over your shoulder. And yeah, it's fantastic. I do love this one a lot. Okay, let me show you some details of the bag. So, whoops, there we go. This is the beautiful, oh, wait, let me come closer to the camera. It's making it a little bit easier, hopefully. So here we go. Can you see how beautiful and shiny the Python leather still is? I absolutely love this detail. And all Artsy bags, even the vachetta leather ones, they are basically braided right here on top. And I have no idea how they did it, especially with such a delicate leather like Python. But it looks like an artwork in itself. So yeah, these are the rings that I meant, so you could definitely attach a shoulder strap right here if you wanted. But yeah, I think it's unnecessary. You can just swing it over your shoulder and it's comfortable enough. Yeah, this is the little key ring right here, and I've never really used it. I've never touched anything there. I think it's just an accessory, and yeah, absolutely love my Artsy bag. Okay guys, so if you have any questions about this or exotic bags in general, I do have a couple in my collection, as you probably already know, then just let me know in the comment section down below and I will answer your questions. And yeah, other than that, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah, have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!